tube. So I got this 97 Chevy Tahoe, and I have this issue with the HVAC controller. And the thing is that I replaced that blower fan motor switch. It was somehow successful because I broke the tab inside. It was so brittle that holds the whole thing inside. It moves a little, but it fits well because the other one is fine. But the issue is, after I replaced the blower motor switch, the recirculation button switches off when I switch off the blower. Before, it used to stay on. The recirculation vent was always closed. I mean, no fresh air was coming in. So is this normal? Like, is it the original setup of this controller, or something's wrong? Like, is it an updated part or what? Because I live in a very hot climate area, and I need this thing to be shut all the time. But I don't need any fresh air to come in. Let's see when I, even if I switch it off, it doesn't switch off, you know. But when I switch the fan off, it goes off, and I get fresh air coming in. So need some help.